Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of my new TRD Oil Cap for my 2009 Toyota Yaris. So let's get to it. So here's the packaging. Plain. Bottom doesn't have anything. Here's the side of the packaging. Here's the back. That's the emblem that goes on top of the oil cap. Everything's in Chinese or Japanese, whatever this is. Same thing, top. So let's get this open. So here's the emblem. It's made of aluminum, so that's good. Let's get this oil cap out. So here's the oil cap. I got it the same color as my NST pulleys that I've got. So this is made of aluminum. It's high corrosion resistant aluminum alloy. As many of you guys know, if you watch my previous videos, I hate plastic on cars, especially as far as a cooling system, like thermostat housing, radiator cap, filler caps, the plastic that's on the top or bottom or the sides of the radiator, and oil cap. So the thread pitch on this is 37 millimeters by 3. It has a hexagon design at the top, so it feels good, and it's perfect. It fits perfectly between my fingers. What else? This, you can buy this for all Toyota, Lexus, and Scion vehicles. It's a screw-on oil cap. It's sturdy, durable, and strictly prevents the leakage of oil. So let's take this off. If I could get it off, I'm doing this one here. There you go. I like the fact that they made this out of aluminum too. A lot of other ones it's made of plastic, or the really cheap ones is made of paper or some kind of vinyl. And over time it'll discolor and all the other crap. So here's the oil cap with the emblem on it. Looks pretty nice. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.